Look at that big car, eh? You want that car, Zoe? You want that big caddy? Cadillac. That's nuts, man.
Daddy!
Look,
Daddy,
Astro.
Daddy, you have one of these?
Do I?
Yeah.
Is that a razor hang? Oh, yeah, for your hair, yeah.
I don't need yours anymore.
Yeah, that's right, eh? How'd you get to that bit, Roxy? Well, we've cut then. Let's cut down this side then. And his face and everything. Ah, it's on his nose and that. Right, where's the Astros? Where's the Astros? Somebody. Astros, somebody. Astros. Where's the Astros? Somebody, Astros. Astros.
You want the Astros? You want the Astros?
Funny, I seen an old Astro, but no, newer ones.
What do you want? The newest Astros?
Oh, no, just newer, like a Mark 4.
No, what I mean is, would you have the newest Astros if you had to?
Nah. If somebody gave me one for free, yeah, but I wouldn't pay for it. It's expensive. See, the problem with old cars is you have to fix them, right? The problem with new cars is they're expensive. You get old cars cheap, you just need to put the time in to fix the fucking things. I've been working on that car almost every day since I got it, Jake. The blue Astra. And still got problems.
So do you mean the one that the roof goes down on?
Yes.
Do you mean the one that the roof goes down on?
Yes. It's a Renault 5. There's Opa's old car, that white one over there. That's Opa. That was Opa's car. I bought it for £200. Just never see them anymore.
You know, the week you're at school, it's just like so slow. It's so slow. Then in the weekend, it's just like zoom back.
Yeah, I know. Plus you're at school for more days. The weekend should be what? 5 days weekend and then 2 days at school. What do you think?
No.
That'd be better, eh?
School day should be Saturday and Sunday, and then every other day should be the weekend.
Yeah, that'd be good, eh? If only, eh? If only, somebody. If only. Okay.
Oh yeah, and then Sunday could be the half day.
Yeah. I know, so you'll have like half school on the Sunday.
We'll just have one full day and one half day. Okay.
Yes.
We'll just have one full day and one half day.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yes, Jake.
We'll just have one full day and one half day.
Yep. Is that a Cortina? Cora Cortina? Yes, Jake.
We'll have one half day and one full day each week.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Go tell your mum that 3 times.
Actually, we'll have half day.
Yeah, but it'll not happen, will it? You wouldn't learn as much, would you? Then? Oh, I thought we lost you, Zoe.
Okay, we have people right.
All the time. So I'm going to get in the car. I'm going to have like.
The problem is,
He's such a liar now. What happened?
Oh, did you go over dog shit? Oh, right. I was wondering. Oh, I see it now. Fucking arseholes, eh?
Where?
Zoe, don't touch it. On the wheel, what do you think that is?
What?
Dirty bastards, eh?
I know.
No, this is what I mean though.
You know the first song you watched? The first Frosty song?
Dad,
The
look.
first one is near the Frosty
Chocolate
song.
is on that
The one that you
stove.
were watching in the car before you
put your
left. That's the Frosty song.
You got hand sanitizer as well.
Yeah, that's Baby
Yes.
Fucking minging bastards, eh? Doing that.
The first song you watched is normal Frosty song, and then that song you watched in the car is Baby Frosty song.
Bananas.
Yeah, did you look at that Baby Frosty song?
I do.
Too far to Tiana.
No, I never, but I'm just telling you that I've just wiped dog shit off the body and you're there lying on the grass. You want dog shit in your hair, then that's fine. Well, then maybe inspect it where they're sitting.
Oh, they might have cut the grass a bit there. You'd think they would have cut the grass, Stirling Castle. Falkirk Castle, though.
Well, let's get
Cancel
everything
it.
cut though.
Yeah, not well.
Daddy, wait, I can't go upstairs. Daddy.
Where? Oh yeah, there's a castle. You're not wrong, eh?
Did you thought I was kidding?
Yeah. Stirling Castle, Zoe.
Well, I Princess was
This is 205. I like the colour of that too.
No.
Oh,
That's supposed to be the between our school.
aye, it is a city centre. City centre? City centre.
Like that one.
I'll just get one of them and just drive a bit.
Eh?
Just get one of them and drive a bit, eh? Aye, that'll be fine. So I get out of the way, Mummy wants a photo. Mark one focus.
I can have
Honest.